everyone, and Merry Christmas, because it is that time of year again, which is also almost time of year to sort out goals and things, I guess, isn't it? We usually do that in January. This will be our third one. 3 years on YouTube it's nuts. Anyway, because there is a new year coming up, I've started a January sales. Yay, cheap stuff. So if you're after notebooks, bookmarks and stickers, they are in our Etsy shop at 50% off. 50% off because I'm trying to get rid of old stock so we can work on the new stock, which, oh look, a little tiny Spiky. Spiky! You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah, because I'm working on new stock for the shop, which is hats and prints and originals and hoops. I did some fabric hoops that had mushrooms on them, and we sold out of those. So I want to do some more of those with all new mushroom designs and things. So that's quite exciting. I did get some comments as well in the last hat video on what to put on the hats, and I think we're down to sunflowers, crystals, snakes, moons, mushrooms. I think there was something else that I'm missing, but lots of cool designs, and I'm sure we can come up with something that's pretty wicked. So we've got that coming up. And what I'll do is I'll show you the first hat design that will be going in the Etsy shop in the end of January. That's where we're aiming to go with our shop update. So the end of January, awesome stuff, hats and things. Yeah. I'll show you the hat now. you have it. Look at this pretty hat. The only thing that happened was I accidentally burned a tiny little mark here, which I might be able to cover up with a picture. I'm gonna go and look it up and see if there's a way of possibly fixing it, but I don't think so because we're burning into it. But I could always just sell it as a slightly cheaper hat than the other ones because it is only one tiny mark. But look how cute it is. It's so pretty. So yeah, quite chuffed. All I need to do is wipe away a couple of the pencil marks because I used white chalk to kind of sketch it out first, and fix down the ribbon and the belt. But for the first hat, it's very pretty. I do like it. So this is the sunflower design, which I've done first, and I think I might do some mushrooms next, but a different design from the one that we did as a practice run, the last hat video. So I'm quite excited about that. So, as always guys, thanks so much for coming and hanging out, and I'll see you next time with another pretty hat.